For a sequence to be arithmetic, it needs to be either increasing or decreasing by a constant amount. So to go from 1/2 to 1/3, you've decreased a little bit. To go from so specifically 0.5 to 0.3 repeating, you've gone down 0.17 roughly. And then to go from 1/3, which is 0.3 repeating, to 1/4, you've gone down to 0.25. So it's clear it's not arithmetic because we're not decreasing by the same amount each time. It changes after each interval. So if it's geometric, it means that you're multiplying a term by some number to get to the next term each time. And a quick way of checking if it's geometric is you can take two terms, like 1/3, and then divide it by the previous term, 1/2, to see if we went by the same amount each time. So between these two terms here, 1/3 divided by 1/2, that gives us 1/3 times 2/1. We flip and multiply, so we got 2/3 for a ratio between those two. And you can see that because if you do 2/3 times 1/2, it gives you 1/3. Now let's check and see if that same ratio holds for the next set of terms. If you do 1/4, divide by 1/3, take one term and divide by its previous term, it should be the same ratio if it is geometric. And when you do this one out, 1/4, it's 1/4 times 3/1, so you get 3/4. So clearly they're different. 2/3, 3/4, they're not going by the same amount. So the question is, was it arithmetic or geometric? The answer is neither.